Greetings and salutations, friends. Welcome back. First off, happy Pride Month, everyone. I was feeling especially queer this morning, so I thought I would dress for the occasion. Before I get into this project, quick disclaimer. This project features my interpretation of the popular horror icon Cthulhu, created by H.P. Lovecraft. I've never actually read any of his work, but the project is directly inspired by Lovecraft's original illustration of Cthulhu. Lovecraft himself was an incredibly bigoted individual, and his personal views have absolutely nothing to do with the views or values of this channel or this household. If you share Lovecraft's racist ideologies, please leave. Thank you. Now that's over with, let's get into the project. I don't have to tell you that things have seemed especially bleak lately. For a world still reeling from the last 2 years, the last couple of months, hell, the last couple of weeks have seemed almost impossible. When the world is especially bleak, I look for escapes, breaks from reality, little things that make me happy. Hell, that's how my clothing project started. But what do you do when you need an escape from the escape? Think outside the box. I've had this Teddy Cthulhu on my mind since last year. Like the squid, I decided to make it out of cotton flannel and felt and stuff it with polyfill and weighted glass beads. Unlike the squid, I decided not to make a mock-up, and that's where I ran into a couple of hiccups. The original head was way too small for the body, and the face tentacles didn't work. Also, I may have accidentally caused nerve damage to my right thumb pulling them right side out, but I was able to use the too small head in the next project, and the tentacles will be chopped up for stuffing. And then came the sewing. So much hand sewing. then Cthulhu was complete. But what to do next? Be a responsible YouTuber and start working on the video? Hell no. I started a whole new plush. The Mothman had been another idea I cooked up when I was recovering from surgery. I saw this incredible Mothman on Instagram, linked below, and immediately fell in love with the design. With the artist's permission, I set out to make a plush version. My take on her design did not turn out the way I planned. After that, I tabled the project. That is, until I designed this little guy. I decided I would be better off playing to my strengths and designing an original Mothman based on my own capabilities, and so I did. I used black flannel from my stash and a too small head from the Cthulhu to give it a little weight. And then I was done. I've always been a fan of stuffed animals, ever since I was a kid. Seriously, ask my mother. I was always the kid who couldn't go anywhere without her bear. As an adult, I've been more and more interested in making spooky, wacky plushies that really didn't exist when I was a child. These little guys are a nice break from the stress and monotony of all the darts and pleats and gathers, especially the gathers. And frankly, with all that's going on in the world, it's really nice to have something cute to focus on. I hope you all enjoyed this video. As of now, I'm starting the Curdle project. I'm making new foundation garments to go with it, so I'll probably start with those. Slowly but surely, I'm getting my act together. Maybe next video will actually come out on time. Or not. Thank you again for joining me. Be sure to like and subscribe. Be safe, be well, and be happy, and I'll see you next time.